today's video, I'm gonna do a what's on my fridge. What's on my fridge? What's on my fridge? This vlog is, I didn't plan this vlog. I just think about it that I want to show you guys what's on my fridge. So, don't mind inside if it's messy or, you know. I didn't really organize inside because as I say, I didn't really plan this vlog and just feel like going to do it. And so, let's go! Alright guys, my fridge looks like that. It looks like that. And first, I have these magnets here. Don't mind the bungi one because nahulog yan. Nahulog yan sa floor. Kaya nabungi siya. So, but still stick is still working, the magnet. So, still put it there, so don't mind it. Just mind this other magnet that nabungi, you know. So this one, I got this in Korea when we stopped over in Korea. And this one in Washington DC. And this one is in Korea as well. This one is Washington DC. And this one is in the Basilica of the National Shrine. It's in Washington DC as well. So that's our magnets. I don't really put much something there because I don't want a messy door of the fridge, of the freezer, whatever you call it. So here I have a breastfeeding center of Maryland. How you process the milk, the what's this? The formula something, or breast milk, how you process, how you put in the fridge, something like that. And this one is about the breast pump that we went before. So they give me this magnet thing there. And yeah. So first we're gonna start here. We're gonna start here on the top. So let's start on the top. Don't mind guys the inside guys. I don't really organize this refrigerator. So first we have my husband iced tea. Don't mind the picture guys because my husband love that picture. Love niya yan yung picture na yan. Yung lagayan niya ng tea na yan. Love niya yan. Ayaw niya papalitan sa akin kasi wag ko daw palitan. So, ayan. So, dyan siya. Hindi ko na pinalitan yan kasi nagagalit siya. Love daw niya yan. Picture na niya yan since wala pa ako dito. So, ayaw niya papalitan. So, here, we don't have much here. So, we have here our dinner. Our dinner last night, the beef pepper steak, the leftover, and this potato soup last night. So, I cooked that last night. And, of course, my rice. Rice is life. Linagay ko dyan siya para hindi mapanis. Tapos, ito yung pagkain ni Skylar na green beans puree. Ayan. And then, here is the Skylar tater. Nilalagay ko siya dito sa fridge para malamig siya. Yung ano niya. Tatlo to. Iwan ko kung nasaan yung dalawa. Baka nandun sa ginagamit niya. And then, this one leftover tomato sauce. Ayan. So, leftover tomato sauce and the iced tea. And there's the beef stock, same beef stock, the 50%, this one, 50% less sodium, and this one, unsalted one. Ayan, and my milk, and here, this one is my favorite sauce for the fish. Ayan, ito yung favorite sauce ko for the fish. Oh no, may batang umiiyak. Skylar, honey. So, ayan, this is my favorite fish sauce that we got in Costco. This is Robert Rothschild. This is really good. It's a pineapple in habanero. Yeah, pineapple inside in habanero something. I don't know what's a habanero. But yeah, that's really good. There, in here, in the bottom. It looks messy there. Right, we have here heavy whipping cream for my husband. He used this for his breakfast. And we have mixed fruits here for Skylar. Ayan, ginagawa ko siyang puree for her. It has pineapple, raspberry, blueberry, what's this? Yeah, pineapple, strawberry, something. And here we have this mga sauce natin dito. Yung ating mga sauce here. We have this A1 for the beef. Ayan. And we have this teriyaki sauce, marinade teriyaki sauce. And I have this, what's this? Nataob na siya kasi paubos na. Ano ba yan? Oh, yung sweet chili sauce. Sweet chili sauce for the lumpia. And here, we have this, yung imported golden pepperoncini. I love this. Every time I eat, I have this. Ang daming mga sauce. This one, yung sweet chili sauce again, na UFC. And this one is yung Thousand Island dressing. Dressing Thousand Islands. I love this to put on my salad. Ang hirap mag-vlog pag And this one, the sun-dried tomatoes. Ayan, I put this on my cooking. And this one is butter ghee ba yan? I don't know how you pronounce that, but basta na lang guys. Ginagamit yan ni Hubby for his diet food. And this one is paubos na siya. Yung Doña Maria Mul. And this one is Korean soy sauce. Soshi sauce, guys. This one soshi sauce. Blah, blah, blah. And this one capers. Ayan. In here, yung Chinese cabbage na nilagay ko na siya sa ziploc at hinugasan para ready to cook na siya. Or for husband diet din to, guys. For my husband diet. Yan. And this one here, ang daming anik-anik. Mang Tomas and hoisin garlic, A1 again, and tomato ketchup, and my favorite pickled cucumber, and this one is balsamic vinegar glaze, and my pang-marinate sa tapa marinade mamasitas, and we have a sweet bourbon sauce, and we have street taco sauce here. In here in the middle we have cocktail sauce, and we have sweet relish, and we have my favorite shrimp paste, Kamayan sauteed shrimp paste. Blah blah, but it's really delicious. And this thing, I got this this ikot-ikot thing. I got this in Home Goods. Yeah, I got this in Home Goods. And we have lettuce here for Hubby salad. And we have my dried fish. Yan, yung dried fish ko, guys. Nalagay ko dyan sa container. At we have here the chara. Ginger pickles. Ayan. Masarap yan, ginger pickles. And this medium salsa for taco, or if you eat crackers, this is good too. And this one, sour cream here. Alright. Yung dried fish ko, guys, yum yan. Tinitipid-tipid ko yan kasi ang mahal ng dried fish dito. Ayan. Balik lang natin. Ang liit ng fridge, kaya crowded. Alright. Dito tayo sa baba, guys. Dito tayo sa baba. Meron ako dito yung dinipros ko na beef for tonight. Ayan, dipros na siya. Ready to cook na yan. Tapos we have chicken thigh here. Chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh. Nilagay ko lang yan dyan kasi baka lulutuin niya ni Hubby for his diet food something. And here, this drawer here, we have tiramisu here, and we have this croissant, and we have cheese. I forgot paper jack cheese, I forgot. Basta cheese yan. Yung blue cheese na ayaw ko yung amoy, parang pupo, excuse my words, but yeah, parang amoy pupo siya. But my husband like that blue cheese. And we have here the cheddar. Ginamit ko na to kaya nakalagay na siya sa ziploc. The mild cheddar cheese. have here the bacon, the bacon, yung leftover bacon, hindi ko pa naluto. Tapos dito, doon yung mga keto bars ni Habi doon. Hindi naman niya kinakain. At nagko-consume ng space dyan. So, let's go here in the Brutus drawer. Here is the vegetables and here is the mga panakot, mga celery, mga lemon, onion. Dito muna tayo sa mga vegetables. So what we have here is the asparagus, the cucumber, and the zucchini. The zucchini here. Yeah, we have zucchini there. What else we have here? Sarap nito guys, yung zucchini. Love ko yan. And then, dalawang cucumber for Habi salad. And we have a squash for Skylar. And we have here yung broccoli na nakalagay siya sa ziplock para keep fresh yung vegetables. And we have kalahating cabbage. We have this one is celery and there's carrots. Nilagay ko lang siya sa ziplock para still fresh. Keep yung freshness ng vegetables. So yan yung vegetables natin dyan. Balik lang natin. Ayan, full yan. Vegetables and dito. What we have here, tomatoes, green bell pepper, red pepper. What's this? This one, ano ba yan? This one is red pepper and this one green bell pepper. Nalito na. And this one, jalapeno for the salad. And I have avocado for Skylar. And we have green onions. And this one, the big tomato for the salad. And this one, the rosemary ba to? Rosemary. No, I think this is not rosemary. It's parsley, Italian. It's Italian parsley. Ano kasi ito eh? Mix siya inside, like rosemary, Italian, and thyme. Is yung, ano na lang yung natira, Italian parsley. Nagamit na yung rosemary tsaka thyme. And then this one here, rosemary. May one leftover na rosemary. And then we have a lime here. And the leftover red onion. So, ayan. Yung laman dyan. And here we have a butter here. And we have here in this side lime juice, lemon juice. We have this pesto. We have this beef bouillon. Beef bouillon yan. And we have tamarind paste, wasabi sauce, parmesan, horseradish, real bacon. Nilalagay ito ni Habi sa salad niya. And then oyster sauce and our eggs there. And here in the bottom, we have this hoisin, ano ba yan? Yung camera ko nasaan na? Hoisin sauce. We have this mayonnaise, pizza sauce. We have this organic Dijon mustard, yellow mustard. And I have my star margarine. Batang margarine. I got this in Filipino market. Filipino store. And what's in here is dried cranberries. And here, the shrimp paste with bean oil. This is not the one that I don't like it. That's why it's still a lot. I don't like it, the shrimp paste with bean oil. Not good. And this one, the mango peach. Yan, basta mango peach. I forgot the name of the jelly. Jelly ba yan? This one, sambal for my cooking. This one, Kalamata olives, the organic one. And this one is the olives here. And this one is the honey mustard. And this one is the jalapeno. Dijon mustard. We have a lot of mustard. That's different kind. Stone ground mustard. Saan na ba yung camera ko? Hindi siya naka-pointy. Ito yung garlic, minced garlic. Kung tinatamad kayo mag-chop ng garlic, you can buy a minced garlic already. And this one is the medium salsa por taco. And we have this syrup here, the Hershey syrup, strawberry flavor. And this one, yung achara papaya pickles. Ayan, achara papaya pickles. And here, we have here the whipping cream, the coconut juice, the almond milk, and the pure cranberry. We have here orange water and my Coke. Ayan. So, yan. Yun lang guys yung dito sa baba. So, punta naman tayo sa taas, sa freezer. Let's go to the freezer. Right, let's go to the freezer. What's inside the freezer? Oh, nothing much. What's in here? It's, of course, the ice. And we have water and Skylar chicken puree. Nilagay ko dito sa freezer. And then, what's in here? What's in here? Popsicle. And my almond ice cream. My husband ice cream. His, diet ice cream. And what's this? This one, red velvet. And this one, peanut butter cup. And this one, strawberry. So, yung mga dessert niya. Sa akin, almond. Sa kanya, Hello Top. And here, we have a shrimp. 2 pounds of shrimp. And we have ground beef, and the pork chop. Yeah. And we have here chicken, the chicken drumsticks, and the chicken party wings. It's mixed na siya, legs, wings, and the chicken. So yeah, yan siya. In here, we have a green peas, and this jar, I put here chocolate, but it's gone, so it's empty now. And here is the green peas. It's the same green peas, sweet peas. This one, sweet peas. And this one, hot dog. This one is banana. Yan, pinaprosen ko yung banana kasi sisira na siya. So, ginagawa din ni Habi yung banana shake. And here, yung mga keto bars ni Habi. Yan ang kanya pinakain. Uy. Ayan. Yung chocolate ko nga. I forgot this. Nakalimutan ko na to. Yung bread. Yung ice pack dito. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang yung ating laman ng ating fridge. So, that's it. So, yan lang guys. Hope you interested inside my fridge. Hope you enjoy the tour inside the fridge. So, yan lang guys. Hope you enjoy. And thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Take care always, everyone. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you want to say something, just say something. And, yep. See you on my next vlog. Bye. Up here.